In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about something called selection, which is essentially using if and else, which you might have used with things like Python and microbits in the past. So just a quick crash course in what we've done so far. We've learned how to output strings, which are collections of characters bound by speech marks, and also intersplice those with variables. Now, variables are blocks of memory we give names to, and they each contain a unique value. We've also learned how to take an input from the user, and that input always will, it's good practice anyway, to have a instruction with the input for the user to know what to do, and that input will always be passed into a variable that we can use later on. Okay, that's that out of the way. We're going to learn how to do selection now, which is to to take what the user's typed in and give them a response based on what they've typed in. So they might type something in that the computer agrees with or disagrees with, and that will then be given a particular response. So I'm going to create a new variable called var underscore fav underscore color. So var fav underscore color, right? So their favorite color equals input. What is your favorite color? Pretty straightforward. And now here's the new bit. We use if. So we're going to test what they've typed in, and we give them a response based on what they've typed. So if var underscore fav underscore color double equals. So we're testing something, we're not assigning. So when we make a variable and we assign it with an equal sign, there's a single. So we're saying we're going to add something into this variable with a single equal sign. When we put a double equal sign after a variable, we're testing what's in it. We're checking it. So var underscore fav underscore color, if it's equal to red, the computer's going to say, wow, so is mine. And I'm going to type else after that. I'm going to type print. Too bad. My favorite color is red. So what we've got here, if the value of that variable is equal to the word red or the text string containing those three letters in that order, we print wow, so is mine. And you notice, if you go to the end of that colon there, you indent. That actually has to happen, it's supposed to happen. So if you're ever worried you haven't got an indent, say the print is the same level as the if, it's because either you've not got a colon, so you need to go back and add the colon, or you've pressed backspace when you got onto a new line because you weren't too sure about how it works. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to press backspace to put the print right beside the colon and just press enter again, so it jumps underneath to be indented. Another way you can do that as well is you can press the tab key on the keyboard of your computer. So we're testing that, see if it's red, and if it is red, then we're going to print wow, so is mine, and otherwise else is for anything else, basically. So what we do in that case. So let's run the program. Hello, what is your name? Kevin. What's your favourite colour? If I write yellow, it says too bad, my favourite colour is red. Let's run again. Kevin. What's your favourite colour? Blue. Oh, no, my favourite colour is red. Let's try one more time. Kevin. What's your favourite colour? Red. Wow, so is mine. Now, there's going to be a slight problem in a minute, and I'm going to explain to you why. Python can only, well, it's not it can only. If you write a value in as lowercase letters, when you're testing them, they have to be lowercase letters. So that can be a bit of a problem because people write different things in. And as a good computer programmer, you need to give them the option to either write red with a capital R or with a lowercase r. And how I do that is when I'm testing the if here, I type or, and I'll write var underscore fav underscore color double equals, and this time I'm going to put a capital R there. So if it's lowercase r red or uppercase R red, then we'll say wow, so is mine. So I'll show you that working now. Bob, what's your favourite colour, Bob? With a capital R, red with a capital R. Wow, so is mine. Let's run it again. Bob, what's your favourite colour? Red with a lowercase r. Wow, so is mine. So it's allowing for either or. And we can, if we want, just say if they type everything in capitals, because sometimes people do. VAR FAV underscore colour. Well, I'm going to have to make this a little bit narrower. If it's equal to RED, big capitals, we can do that. Oh, hang on. What have I done there? Silly me. Right, I've taken the colon away, so there we go. Put the colon there on the end of the statement. No, it's not liking that at all. Let's just try this. Line 7. Ah, we've not put a double equals there. That's why. It's always good to see your teachers make these mistakes as well. So, Bob. And what's my favourite colour? RED, capital red. There we go. If I go for uppercase, etc., etc. So we understand now. Oh, hello, red. What's your favourite colour? Red. Type that in. So what we're seeing here is the computer will behave different ways if we type different things in, and that's called if. It's called selection. If you want to go back to a bit more simplicity, let's just do away with all these ors, although they are useful, and you can just have it like that. Okay? And that's the end of selection.